Hi, Vandana here. So we moved into this house 3 years back, and that is when I met Bintu through a common friend. So actually, we had only 2 months time to finish all these interiors, and we had to move in. So it was she who did almost all the things. I mean, she gave us suggestions, she incorporated our suggestions, and we came to a solution, and that is this house.
So then we were actually thinking what to do because it's a big wall, and for tiling and everything, people were saying they can't do till up because you have to do those folding which they do outside.
So I wanted a cutlery unit, but same time I had a Krishna where I want to keep the Krishna also in the front room. So that is how I came to her with suggestions like how can I do everything together at one place.
And I think she's happy with that.
Yeah, this is a beautiful design. Actually, it came out very well.
So they had this wall piece, and she and her husband were very particular to place this to give it a proper place for this wall piece. So it was a plain box actually. Then I gave them the suggestion for this particular frame, and then we incorporated that in this wall where she wanted a ledge also to keep her curious. So that is how we came up with this idea. Then since it was a big hall and this wall was a big one, he wanted to break this monotony of the wall. At the same time, didn't want anything to come out or as a partition. So on the wall itself, we just gave this paneling and to differentiate that and this part keeping that monochrome color in mind, just gave a self-designed wallpaper there and a plain wallpaper. They wanted this particular TV unit design. So again, we didn't want anything bulky here because this is a small walking space. But at the same time, we wanted to use this space also. So we came up with this idea of the TV unit, which is sleek and just enough.
As I said, she finished the house. She got us the house done within 2 months, and that too before the time frame. So we had given her 2.5 months. So by 2 months, we got the house done, which I don't think anyone will get it done like that. And yeah, it's tastefully done, like as you see, and incorporating all our requirements. So if you ask me if I recommend, obviously there's no doubt on that. So through recommendation only I got her. So like that, I'll be recommending and everyone. So I'm very happy with her service, and she has a very good team, very good connections. So what you need, everything you have an answer for that. So that is Bindu.